Hi everyone, welcome to Provisual Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily set up and showcase your design using Provisual and 3D models. Let's navigate to the 3D Models section and select an object for our tutorial. The library contains a vast variety of high-quality 3D models, and it gets updated weekly. In this tutorial, we will learn how to customize a pizza box 3D model. This is just what we need. Let's take a closer look at the model. It looks great. Let's create a new project. This is what the default model looks like. Let's turn off drop shadow to fine-tune our 3D model more accurately. The initial box material looks great. Let's change the color. You can either select or customize the color using the color palette, or enter the color code manually, like this. Now, let's reduce the texture of the pizza box a little. We can do it in the material settings. Wonderful. We've got a beautiful material. Let's copy it and apply to the inner side. Next, we change the color of the material and customize the material. Okay, we have set up all the materials of our 3D model. Now let's add the design. To add your design, click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. You can also download a UV map and create your design in another editor. I've already prepared some images for our pizza box. Let's add the first design element. In this window, we see the editor, where we can move and modify our design. See how in the left window, the position of our design on the 3D model is always displayed in real time. Nice! Let's reset the coordinates of the position of our design. Great. Saving the design. The next step is to add a sticker design to our pizza box. Looks good. Let's save the design now. Currently, our stickers have this cardboard texture. Let's change the material to make the stickers stand out. Let's select the design layer to activate it. Now let's change the material and customize it. We should add reflections as well. Now let's add some dimension to our design using the Great Bevel feature. Amazing! We're done with the design settings for our pizza box. Looks interesting. Now our pizza is all set up for delivery to pizza lovers. Okay, turn the drop shadow back to complete the look. To finish setting up the materials of our pizza box, let's work with the drop shadow. Perfect. Just what we need. Let's add a fun background for our pizza box. Let's see what types of pre-made backgrounds we have here. We can choose a solid fill as the background, or we can go for a gradient fill. Here we can select the desired colors, and also set the direction of the fill, linear or radial. You can also pick one of the pre-designed backgrounds that we've prepared for you. Or add your own image. Let's add one. Excellent. You can turn on moving lights to see how the light can enhance the shape and texture of the 3D model. You can also rotate the 3D model to see how the design looks in motion. Let's save our project now. After you've completed your design, you can share it by clicking the Share button. You'll get a shareable link to open the interactive viewer with your 3D model. Send it over to your colleagues, friends, or clients. And this is the end of our tutorial on creating a pizza box design. We hope this has been helpful for you. See you in the upcoming tutorials.